वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें जनसत्ता.com, बेल आइकन दबाकर पाएं लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस।
After that everything you know, and when I meet him and details I have already said. I met him along with my chief secretary. At that time I requested him that because of my earlier program Preoccupied, I have to visit some disaster area affected areas. So please allow me and my CS to visit the Digha because the weather is not good. So we have to go early with your kind permission. Thrice I mentioned this. But after that, I am shocked to see whatever I replied, you have seen that. The reply was very properly done, that you cannot take one-sided unilateral decision. Even for a topmost number one bureaucrats in the state, आप सबसे ज़्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. It never happens within these 74 years of our history. अब ये शर्म का बात है. Even I am really sorry to see that अभी जस्टिस तो नहीं हुआ. Purpose of extension was COVID and cyclone. They did not mention in the letter for what reason they want that Alapan Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there. But no detailed consultation is there. But it is just reverse. प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण एवं प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण ये है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा. जो ममता को खिलाफ में है, इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. नाउ the attempt is, instead of giving the state consultation, the jurisdiction of the state, give importance to federal structure, they have added injury to the Government of India. Especially they have no consultation with the state government. ये जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया. प्रायर कंसल्टेशन 0 था, डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुआ. रूल 6 clause 1 prior consultation is there, but you have not done that also. You have added to insult injury. कंसल्टेशन के बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है. नो कंसल्टेशन, नथिंग, नो रीजन, नथिंग. ओनली पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा वर्क्स. व्हाई यू डोंट लाइक ममता बनर्जी, दैट्स व्हाई. व्हाई यू आर डिफीटेड, दैट्स व्हाई. व्हाई यू नो दैट यू आर नोवेयर इन बंगाल, दैट्स व्हाई. डू यू थिंक दैट दे शुड नॉट रिस्पेक्ट द पीपुल्स मैंडेट? आफ्टर माई टेकिंग ओथ, विदिन ए डे they have got to saying violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have gone filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta, to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And now, I am sorry, the purpose of extension of services for 3 months from 1st June 2021 of Sri Alapon Bandyopadhyay was in public interest to fight COVID-19 pandemic and impact of recent cyclone. Based on it, central government agreed to give extension on 24th May 2021. After the aerial visit of the PM on 28 May, the central government asked the state government to relieve Sri Bandyopadhyay to enable him to join on 31st May 2021 at 10 am at New Delhi. Central state government doesn't know the cause when the reason even. State government did not agree to relieve him on 31st May 2021 as the purpose for which his extension was given still persists. CM West Bengal has written detailed letter to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved. Our priority is COVID and cyclone. It may be mentioned that perhaps the central government may not be aware that when I have received the letter, before that, Sri Bandyopadhyay has superannuated from afternoon of 31st May 2021 as his normal date of retirement is 31st May 2021. Hence, his services are no longer available to join the central government tomorrow as given in today's order. And this is the blunder of the central government, great blunder. They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional. And we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this Prime Minister and Home Minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that, central government cannot force him to join Government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alapon Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the Chief Secretary to SDO, SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them? Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres, we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation, you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together, and state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapon Bandyopadhyay,